Hello, it's Ms. Prather there, and today we are going to go over a calculator inactive problem from your EOC booklet. Today's problem that I'm going to go over with you is Polygon expansion, and I'm actually going to highlight that. Now, if you watched any of my videos before, you know that as I read, I like to highlight, I like to pull out and identify keywords. So here we go. The floor of a rectangular cage, that's my shape, has a length of 4 feet greater than its width W. James will increase both dimensions of the floor by 2 feet. Write an equation that represents the new area of the floor of the cage. So let's write down the information that I do know of my rectangle. I do know that my length is 4 feet greater than its width. Greater than means plus, so therefore I'm going to put 4 plus W. My width, I do not know because it just tells me W, so I'm going to put here. That is what I currently have, but it tells me James will increase both dimensions by 4 feet. By 2 feet. So increase means to add. So plus the length plus the width by 2. So now I have 4 plus W plus 2. I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to actually pull that over to the side so you can see the work here. 4 plus 2 is 6, and I have W plus 6. And this is the new dimension. Okay, and then my width, I'm going to pull out W plus 2. I do not have like terms, so therefore I'm just going to leave it W plus 2. So my length is now W plus 6, and my width is now W plus 2. I go back to my problem, and it says write an equation that represents the new area. Well, area of a rectangle, the formula, area equals length times width. So I'm going to take the length and substitute that in there, times the width. As we see here, we have two binomials, and we've learned that when you have two binomials and you would like to multiply them, you can use the box method. So that is exactly what I'm going to do here off to the side. W plus 6 at the top and W plus 2 at the side. I have W squared, 6W, 2W, 12. Do not forget to combine like terms with your peanut, combining the 6W and the 2W because they both just have W. 6W plus 2W is 8W. Now I'm going to write out all of my terms. I have W squared plus, when I combined the two like terms, I had 8W plus 12. It says write an equation that represents the new area. This is an equation because I have area equals. Now if it would have not been an equation, I would have just had the expression. So do not forget to put the area equals to make it an equation. Or you could have put, instead of A, you could have put N. Hope you found this